Hey, Mila, say hi to everybody. Tell them that you can't fall asleep even though you should have been asleep an hour ago. Here's one of the tricks that I found to help put a baby to sleep. It works really, really good. It takes not too long, and what it involves is one of these, and where's the other thing at? One of these. That's just a hoverboard. Come on, Mila, let's go for a ride. You ready? You just load her up in the little buggy here. Not the all-terrain stroller, in case you guys were wondering. Still have it. Use it every once in a while, don't we? Yes, we do. Okay, Mila, you hang out there for a second, entertain the camera. I'm gonna go get the hoverboard. Okay, it might work for a little bit, Mila. We're down to 1 bar. This isn't charging. Okay. So, you ready? Ready to go? There we go. So this is what we do. Okay, you ready, Mila? Let's go. Whee! So all we do is just drive around in the garage. Lots and lots of times. Oh, you having fun? Whee! We can go in circles. We can switch it up and come over here by the dog. Just lots of things to look at. Yeah. This also works really good if you got a baby that's just crying, like won't stop crying on you. Come to the garage and just, half the reason with the hoverboard is it's really quiet, like super, super quiet. So it really helps that baby calm down.
You take form. No, I won't go back tonight with the habits of the restless me.
Her head's already starting to get a little heavy, I can see it. And don't always do the same thing, switch it up a little bit. That kind of wakes them up for a second, and then get them going in the same routine, 3 or 4 laps. Just long enough for them to make it feel like, okay, yeah, I've seen this a few times, I can relax. Yeah, well, there's the baby. Yeah, oh yeah, lots of circles. Oh, she likes to hang on. She's enjoying the ride. Oh, here comes brother, I can hear him coming. Yeah. Oh. Rah, 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 you should be asleep.
I'm the first one to get off at the station. There's something in the air that I can't place. Now I see a silhouette in the dark. It's like time has stood still. I'm gonna hold you tight this time around. Now feeling like I need to escape. The world outside only made me numb. 'Cause I just wanna be here in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient.
I don't know what it is about a baby trying to fall asleep in the most uncomfortable way imaginable, but that is one of them, if you ask me. How is that comfy, baby? Huh? I'll put a link below to that hoverboard that I'm using and the stroller, because I think they're probably the best ones out there, and we use the heck out of this thing. Poor little girl. Oh, check this out. Big dragonfly. Are you alive, dragonfly? Oh yeah.